So yeah, DH would, I believe, yes, you are correct. You can toggle various degrees of cable clutter reduction. This would be the maximum amount, followed by um, showing only opaque cables for the device you have selected, which is useful if you're, you know, going through your patches and such as you kind of are building it. However, you still wind up with kind of situations like over here where, you know, this isn't ideally routed, and I could probably use like a merge splitter somewhere and make it look neater, but I shouldn't have to. You know, I should just be able to take a damn little thing, bundle it up, stick it there, and make it go like this. Over here, even with it translucent, I can't get at the um, audio distro section of this, so I mean, one solution would be to move the audio distro. This remark thing has an issue where I could put it up top here, but then if I want to work on my Kong's routing, I've got this whole mess, and it's just not ideal. It's not the way you work with a bunch of cables in any situation, on stage, in racks, studios. You tie them in a bundle, run them at right angles, stick them where they need to go. So yeah, it's kind of just, I just wish they would simulate some gaff tape is all. Also, this thing is pretty cool so far. I gotta go to sleep.